What's going on, everybody? Well, it's a beautiful morning. Hope your turkey day was great. I hope your plates were full, stomachs fuller, and your naps undisturbed. Well, we're about to jump right into it. So there's cars and coffee going on at the Shreveport Porsche dealership. So we're going to head up there and see what's up there. Let's go. Oh, before I forget, I got merch, dog. Anyway, here we go. All right, and just like that, we're back. So check it out. I got some stuff to show y'all. All right, you ready for all this? We're gonna start down here on this end and work our way down the line. But we got a lot of good cars that came out. So check it out. Now, keep in mind, we are at a dealership, so you're gonna see a whole bunch of Porsches roll around here. But man, this Integra, it's type nice. A little too low, though. These Shreveport streets are mean, bro. Man, do I get another bike or not? I think I'm good on the bikes. And bam, here we go. Y'all remember this guy, right? Man, I told him about that inspection sticker, too. Look, he running out of time. December is next month. Actually, December is Monday. He running out of time. Man, it's Porsche GT3. So my man right here with this Porsche, he actually tracks his, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. He is locked in. And you know I gotta show y'all, right? You know I gotta do it. Check out these wheels. Man. Oh, good God. I had to come back and see this. Last time it wasn't open. And then, of course, there's your boy right here. Man. Y'all know that dude, right? Sheesh. So, all right. Let me know. What do you guys think about this splitter? I think it just makes it look meaner, man. Like it's got teeth almost. I'm about to stab you if you get close. Not really, not really. I would never do that. I would never do that. And I got my coworker up here with his Porsche. This dude is a Porsche enthusiast right here. Man, he talks about this car all the time, man. And I see why. This thing is gorgeous. Then, of course, look at that color, though. And then, whoo, boy. Now, look, I ain't gonna lie. It's cold out here. It is cold out here. My man came topless. Y'all should have seen when he pulled up. I didn't get my camera fast enough, but topless. Pure craziness, man, right? Now this Audi RS7. It's kind of, it's nice. It's nice. I don't know. Might be my next car. Might be. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I need a truck. But man, the carbon fiber. Ooh. Check out these wheels. That's crazy. Yeah. Man, was that you with the drone?
Yes, sir.
Man, I was about to pull mine out and go up, and I looked up and I saw a drone. I was like, God, dog it. Hold on, man, because I'm going to have some questions about the drone. Hold on, man. Let me finish.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Finish getting my content real quick.
Go ahead.
My man put his drone up in the air, y'all. I thought I was about to have a drone collision, but it didn't happen. It didn't happen. This thing is nasty, man. It's that 720S. What's happening, man? Good to see you again.
You too.
All right.
plastic.
Yeah, for real. And you too, man. You came up with the top off, man. It's too cold for that, bro.
It's so cold.
You better bundle up. Put that top back on, man. Get that. You had the heat blasting, didn't you? Yeah, you had to. You had to. You got that, man. See, I freshly shaved my head this morning. Ain't no bro. I need a cap right now.
Yeah.
Sheesh. And I told you guys, I almost bought a CLA, almost. And I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. And I'm happy. I'm happy I did. I'm happy I did. Yo, this car right here though, started it up. It was like 18 gunshots. That's what it sounded like. We're in Shreveport, ladies and gentlemen. I thought people was reaching for their guns. They didn't though. They didn't though.
I don't know. I was gonna try, but then again, I was like, I don't want to melt these wheels.
Yeah. You gotta get the tire off.
Huh?
You gotta get the tire off.
It just, we'll try it.
Twin turbo. Crazy, right? Good God. Camaro ZL1 right here. I like this color. I like that color. That matte blue is just amazing. I like that wrap.
She is.
Yeah, I can hear her. All right, man. I'll see you. Oh, absolutely.
Sheesh. Had a good turnout. Great turnout. Crazy, man. That thing is crazy.